Sequence or order round. Arrange from pure dance to expressive dance. Tillana, Padam, Alarippu.
Alarippu, Padam, Tillana.
Arrange jadis by ascending order. Mishram, Tishram, Kanda.
Tishram, Kanda, Mishram.
Arrange movements focus progression. Expression, feet, hands.
Feet, hands, expression.
Arrange basic to advanced rhythmic. Jadi, Korvai, Tirmanam.
Jati, Korvai, Tirmanam.
Arrange items around performance closure. Mangalam, Tillana, vote of thanks.
Vote of thanks, Tillana, Mangalam. Arrange in correct Morgan order. Varnam, Alarippu, Tillana, Shabdam.
Alarippu, Shabdam, Varnam, Tillana.
Arrange Tala components correctly. Dhrutam, Lagu, Anudrutam.
Lagu, Dhrutam, Anudrutam.
Arrange adavu in learning order. Paraval adavu, Tattadavu, Korvai adavu, Nattadavu.
Tattadavu, Nattadavu, Paraval adavu, Korvai adavu.
Arrange Abhinaya types in order. Satvika, Vachika, Angika, Ahaya.
Angika, Vachika, Aharya, Satvika.
Arrange pre-performance step. Makeup, practice, costume, Salangai.
Practice, makeup, costume, Salangai. Correct sequence opening to conclusion. Mangalam, Pushpanjali, Tillana, Alarippu.
Pushpanjali, Alarippu, Tillana, Mangalam.
Correct order of Tala hand action. Finger count, wave, clap.
Clap, wave, finger count.
Correct teaching sequence in practice. Speed, posture, Sollukattu, footwork.
Sollukattu, footwork, speed, posture.
Correct order of Anga usage. Eyes, neck, head.
Head, eyes, neck.
Correct sequence on stage entry. Namaskaram, entry, position.
Entry, Namaskaram, position.
Arrange in performance order. Padam, Jadiswaram, Varnam, Alarippu.
Alarippu, Jadiswaram, Padam, Varnam.
Arrange Nadai in decreasing syllables. Kanda, Tishra, Chatushra.
Tishram, Chatushram, Gandam.
Arrange from basic to complex movement. Korvai, Jadi, Adavu.
Adavu, Jadi, Korvai.
Arrange dance components in Varadamani's concept. Bhava, Tala, Natya.
Bhava, Tala, Natya.
Arrange rehearsal to performance. Makeup, performance, practice.
Practice, makeup, performance.